Mumbai Sessions Court has ruled against Amravati MP Navneet Rana in the case fake caste certificate case. I'm joined by the advocate and the complainant who had filed a complaint against Navneet Rana in this entire case, which is ongoing at Sivri Court. Against that Sivri Court order, these people had come to the Sessions Court in revision. Let's speak to Sachin Thorat about it. So, what exactly had happened in the court today?
Today, the matter was heard by the learned judge and it was kept for order today. Today, the court has observed, court has pronounced the order in open court, and in its order, the court has observed that there is prima facie material against her because she had initially she has forged the school living certificate of her father of 1961, allegedly issued in the year 1961, whereas the school was not in existence.
At
And
that time.
there
That is
are
allegation.
two school living certificate of those that school, and there are other material also like school living certificate or her ration card. All the documents have been forged by her, and on the basis of those documents, her father had obtained caste certificate, and she collected all these documents and produced before the appropriate authority and obtained the caste certificate and validity certificate. Therefore, there is prima facie material against her, and before trial, she cannot be discharged from the office.
Okay,
And
this is
therefore,
what the court held, but
court
there
has
was also
observed.
an NBW that was issued by the Magistrate Court, which there was no stay. But what happened to that? About that, what did the court say?
During pendency of the revision application, there was no stay to the NBW, but the police or public prosecutor had made statement that we will not execute the warrant NBW since their revision application is pending, and therefore it was not executed. Now today the revision application itself is dismissed. Therefore there is no stay to the NBW. The police, if they want to, they can police arrest the accused.
Okay, so what happens tomorrow? There's a hearing in the Magistrate Court on this very issue tomorrow. What will really happen there?
Actually, on last occasion, the magistrate has observed while hearing the case why you are not arresting those accused and why you are not producing before the court. And every time police go and get the time for executing that warrant. Let's see tomorrow. We'll ask the court to issue the fresh NBW or why the earlier NBW is not executed by the court.
Okay.
It was not executed because the police had made statement that we will not execute the. But now there is no stay.
Okay,
And
Mr.
we'll
Thorat, I
press the
just
court.
wanted to know one thing was, the court did hold here that there's prima facie evidence, but there's also the fact that, there's a Supreme Court stay, as Rizwan Merchant appearing for Navneet Rana had pointed out that there's a stay from Supreme Court over all criminal as well as civil proceedings. What happened to that? Like,
Actually,
what
it
did
is
the court
not
say
true.
about it?
The Supreme Court, they have challenged the order passed by Honorable High Court dated 21st June 2021. And in that order, her validity certificate was set aside. That order was challenged and there is stay to the High Court's order. However, the offence was registered in the year 2014-15. There is no stay at all to the criminal proceeding.
Okay.
There is stay to the only High Court's order.
So, but the court today said that in case they want to go ahead and file a discharge again before the
not
Magistrate
the
Court.
discharge application. If she wants to file an application for staying the proceeding in view of that Supreme Court order, she can definitely go to the magistrate and request. And Magistrate Court will consider it on merit.
Okay, unaffected by the order here.
Yes.
So certainly a setback for Navneet Rana, who at this juncture will probably have to attend the court proceedings in Sivri tomorrow and make sure that the NBW that has been issued against her stands cancelled. Also, with Navneet Rana's lawyers will try to make sure that these proceedings would get halted at some point, since, as they say, the Supreme Court has stayed the entire proceedings of criminal as well as civil proceedings in the caste certificate case. Vidya in Mumbai for India Today.